Alright everybody, so here is my reveal of the 1978 Dodge D100 pickup truck by MPC with the little mini bike. I like that little mini bike, it's kind of cool. Anyways, this model kit I had a lot of fun with. It was really cool, especially for an older MPC kit. I've had some bad luck recently with some MPC kits. They're well documented in my previous videos. But this one here I had a lot of fun with. I even did something different with it that I've never done before, so it was the first time I've ever done this. So let's just jump right into it. This kit went together really well. Let me just show you. Just show right into it. Bum, 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 bum. So yes, this is my first attempt at weathering. Used pastels for the weathering. There's 5 different color pastels I used. The mini bike with the toolbox, the little tools in there. That's kind of cool. I should have did the back a little dirtier, because with the bike there, whatnot. Tires all nice and dirty. Door. I really like this door, how the way this door came out. The way darker around the edges there, the way it streaks downward. That's real nice. I like that. The wheels, you know, slap some of the good stuff in there. Check out this grill. Really proud of this grill work. I even purposely put the bumper on a little crooked. That was done on purpose this time. That wasn't goofy. Engine in this kit was really nice for an MPC kit. Oh, my hose moved there. Oh well. Real nice. And before I decided to weather it, I actually did the engine up real nice. But I just smeared some pastels on it. Woo! Focus. There you go. All right. Interior is just a tan with a gloss black dashboard top, wood color steering wheel, wood inserts on the door there. Not very detailed. The seat was black wash, just trying to make it a little dirty. Like I said, the kit itself went together really well. I did have a problem because I think the base was bent. The back end kind of leans downward a little bit. You can see how, woo, it doesn't line up there. But that's okay with the weathering, so I'm okay with that. Underneath, I just took a couple of the reds and a couple of the browns and just brushed it underneath there. So the pastels, I got a little set over at Hobby Lobby. I think there was 12 colors in it. I'd have to go back and check. And what I did was, you just kind of crumble it up a little bit, little pieces, and you just kind of, I did white, a couple browns, a red, and then I had the colors spread out on the table, and you just kind of just wipe it down with a brush, and then you take a dry brush and just kind of wipe it, and then it kind of just weathers itself and kind of fades itself out with enough wiping. The hood, I tried to do like darker marks along where there'd be extra handprints, like around the doorknob there where we kind of just run right off. Tried to do around the wheels a little darker. That in the back here, see, like did it darker over here, so it's kind of like shoots upward. Whereas the rest of the car, I did it downward, so it'd be like the rain and the weather, gravity pulls it down. Could have did a little more on the back, like I said, because it is kind of a work area there. Back tailgate came out really good there. I like that. The chrome work, I did a reddish brown, kind of simulate a little rust almost. I think that came out really, really sharp. Again, you can see the darker around the back there. So the weathering on this one's a little heavy. You see again around the door handle. And I really like around the door frames, I did a little darker red. That's cool. And then underneath, actually, along the bottom, I tried to make it like it was a little splashed up there. A little heavy on the weathering, but like I said, it's my first attempt. This is definitely something I'm going to do more of. I really, really like this. Try to not get it so beat up on a lot of them. But the colors I used, I tried to get a little darker colors than the color of the car, so it kind of blends together nicely. That's why I did the gray. There was a gray I used. Gray, a white, a couple browns, and there was definitely a red. And you just kind of just mix it all together and go to town with it. The windshield I thought was kind of cool. I took a Q-tip and just kind of, after I smeared the window up there with the chalk, I just kind of Q-tipped it to simulate wiper blades. There it is. I thought that was really cool. like I said, it's not perfect, but it's my first job. Did underneath here too a little bit. Try to make it a little dirty. My first attempt. I am definitely going to do more of this, and I think I'm going to do a video too of how I do this. Basically, the way I did it was the same way the model railroad guys do their box cars, the train cars. So I'll do a video for you guys. I've been a little busy lately, but I'll make sure I get a video out. But anyways, the MPC D100 truck. Highly recommend this guy. Push this up forward, go there. There we go. Highly recommend this truck. This is a good truck. If you see it, buy it. You know, do it a showroom, do it dirty, do it whatever. You know, that little bike in the back. I love that bike. It's rolling. It is a rolling kit, so careful. I'd like to do a base for this thing actually, so it kind of sits on the base. That bike is super cool. Very easy to put together, but super cool. So yeah, go get yourself one of these kits. And like, write. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later, and I'll keep you guys posted on more of my projects that I'm working on. I'll catch y'all later. Thank you for watching.